NOTS Logistics is a family-owned business, and our 4 core services are warehousing, transportation, customized distribution, and workforce management.
In our business, you can't just maintain, you have to come in and improve on a daily basis. When you look at the opportunities to improve, you ask yourself, well, where can we? We have to look at alternative sources to augment our current power utilizations, and as more and more power is demanded, where's it going to come from?
Solar is a great option to reduce your cost, reduce your electrical needs. We went with StraightUp Solar because we were introduced to them through a company called AGE, Affordable Gas Electric.
We're an energy management and solutions company, so not only helping control your energy spend, but also figuring out ways to reduce your energy consumption. We partnered with NOTS Logistics to take an overall look at their energy usage at each of their warehouses here in Nashville, Illinois. So we took the approach of not only electric supply rates, but looking at any energy efficiency opportunities to reduce their energy spend, as well as utilize some state incentives to incorporate on-site generation in the form of solar energy.
The main reasons we looked at the project was to control our utility costs going forward, and if the return on investment on any project is beneficial, we look to take advantage of that. Our partnership with AGE and StraightUp Solar have been very beneficial, straightforward from the beginning. No matter who was working with, the project manager, the engineers, throughout the process, they were tremendous to work with and easy to work with and made the process seem seamless.
One of the common words I hear from my clients when utilizing StraightUp Solar for their solar projects is professionalism. Whether that is from the upfront consultation to the project scheduling and ultimately to the installation.
StraightUp Solar's been a fantastic partner. They understand their product and they're willing to work with you as a business.
I definitely would recommend StraightUp Solar to other businesses. They're very professional. They answered all of our questions and was there from the start to the finish.